In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style complex tables and save a custom table style in PowerPoint. We'll walk through building a clean, consistent look for your tables, and then saving that look so you can reuse it in seconds across your entire deck. Start by placing a table on your slide. Go to Insert, choose Table, and pick the number of rows and columns you need. Click to drop it onto the slide. As soon as the table is on the canvas, select it so the Table Design tab appears at the top. This tab is your styling control center. You can start with a built-in style to get a quick base. These presets are a great shortcut, especially for complex tables, because they handle basic contrast and spacing for you. After applying one, or even if you skip that step, customize the look using three key tools: shading, borders, and effects. Use shading to set background colors for cells. This is perfect for separating header cells from data cells or highlighting certain sections. For a cohesive result, stick to your theme colors and ensure there's strong contrast between text and background for readability. Next, adjust borders to define structure. Choose your line style and thickness, and apply them to the whole table, just the outside or only the inside grid. A slightly thicker outline on the outer border and finer lines inside often makes complex tables easier to scan. Be consistent so the eye doesn't get distracted by mismatched lines. If you want extra polish, open Effects and add subtle shadows or a gentle 3D effect. A light shadow can lift the table off the background, but keep it restrained so your content remains the focus. Once you're happy with the design, save it so you can reuse it. In the Table Styles gallery, click the More button to expand the options, then choose Save as New Table Style. Give your style a clear name and click OK. PowerPoint will store that custom style and make it available whenever you need it. To apply your saved style to another table, select that table, go to the Table Design tab, and open the Custom Styles section. Click your style, and it'll instantly update the table to match your design. This is especially helpful when you're working across multiple slides and need consistent formatting. Finally, feel free to tweak individual cells as needed without changing the overall style. Direct cell formatting will override the style in that spot, while the rest of the table stays consistent. This balance keeps your complex tables both flexible and uniform.